Hey guys, this is a little video on the 200 series, probably looks a bit like this down here, and they have all these patch cables. Now there's lots of variations of them, but normally what you're going to do most of the time is take the patch cables off. So for example, I will give you an idea, like you got this cable here, right? So this is actually a patch cable. So we have one of actually these ones on our harness, so we need to actually pull this patch cable out, and then that's going to get rid of actually that one, and this patch cable here too. A lot of the times the patch cables you'll see have they've got foam around them like this, and that's a patch cable. So if you are having a few issues, make sure you take the patch cables off so you're back to the raw cables. So unplug like those two, and you can see this is all that came off. Extra bonus from Toyota there. And if you are having any problems, just take the patch cable off and try without the other patch cable, and that's probably going to actually fix all your issues. So I'll just put it up there for now. It did have like a zip tie around here. You can see I've obviously cleared out a whole lot of space by not having that in there. This one here, you can see this is extra foam as a patch cable too, but we will leave it on because I know what it's actually doing. It's just putting 12 volt down the antenna amp for this new antenna plug. You could actually take it off and even pull this antenna plug out, or you can leave it in. Either option's going to work in like this case, but I would just leave it in because our harness has the plugs to actually make it all work. Even if you did pull it out, our harness still has the plugs to make it all work. You just have to actually make sure that you put 12 volt down this line here, which is the antenna amp, which is that black and white stripe wire.